Slum Bharat, a notorious rowdy sheeter wanted by the Karnataka police in over 50 cases, was shot down by the Bengaluru police on the wee hours of Thursday. Wanted in 4 districts all over Karnataka, he gave a slip to the cops many times. But on Thursday, the cops decided to put an end to it. Take a look.
Notorious rowdy from Bengaluru shot at. Over 50 criminal cases filed against him. We are talking about Slum Bharat, a notorious rowdy sheeter who was wanted by Karnataka police in over 40 cases, was killed in an encounter with the Bengaluru police on the wee hours of Thursday. On 29th of January, there was a face-off between Bengaluru police and Slum Bharat's gang. The whole attack was captured on CCTV camera. The visuals on your screen very clearly shows how the policemen, in an effort to nab Slum Bharat, stopped his car on the road in Banashankari police station limits. He threatened the cops with his gun, after which he and his associates fled the spot. Right after this incident, Slum Bharat thought that it was not very safe to stay in Bengaluru, so he fled to Uttar Pradesh's Moradabad. Moradabad was the hometown of a woman he claimed to have fallen in love with in Bengaluru. He befriended a woman who worked in a dance bar and allegedly fell in love with her. But on the other hand, the police team had intensified search efforts to nab this notorious rowdy sheeter in Bengaluru. They detained many of Slum Bharat's associates in Bengaluru, and based on a small information they received, the policemen reached Moradabad, where Slum Bharat was seeking refuge. When the police reached Moradabad, they found Slum Bharat, and he claimed that he was married to the woman who worked in dance bars in Bengaluru. The police arrested him while he was being brought back. The police say that Slum Bharat tried to instigate the woman's family in Moradabad, who along with the help of the locals attacked the policemen. But the police were not going to let him off that easily this time. Along with the help of the Uttar Pradesh police, they were successful in bringing back Slum Bharat to Bengaluru. Cut to February 27th, a few minutes past 2:30 a.m., while the policemen were bringing back Slum Bharat from Uttar Pradesh's Moradabad, Slum Bharat's associates tried to attack the car in which Slum Bharat was being brought back. While the cops were near Nelamangala, Slum Bharat's associates attacked the police with lethal weapons including machetes and guns. A constable named Subhash Lamani was injured in this attack.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 2:30 ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟಾಟಾ ಸುಮೋ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಝೆನ್ 2 ಗಾಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಭರತ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಥ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ದಾಳಿಗೆ ಮುಂದಾಗಿ 2 ರೌಂಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫೈರ್ ಆರ್ಮಿಂದ. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ 2 ರೌಂಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನೂ ಇಂಜುರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಲಮಾಣಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಘರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಆರೋಪಿ ಏನಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆರೋಪಿ ಕಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಂಜುರೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ 7-8 ಜನ ಲಾಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥವರು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಘರ್ಷ ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
With this, Slum Bharat and his associates fled in a silver color Maruti Zen car. The cops immediately alerted all the police checkposts. The checkposts were asked to check any car coming to Bengaluru or leaving the city. At around 5 a.m., the cops received a tip-off that the car that the police had specified was near Hesaragatta. Led by Rajgopal Nagar Police Inspector Dinesh Patil and Nandini Layout Inspector Lohit and team reached Hesaragatta in order to nab Slum Bharat and his associates. In a very filmy chase, the police caught up to Slum Bharat. This was when Slum Bharat opened fire at the policemen. He shot 3 rounds at the police, one of which hit Police Inspector of Rajgopal Nagar. The policemen fired in the air in order to bring the situation under control, but Slum Bharat did not listen. At this point, the policemen shot 2 rounds at him, injuring him in the stomach. He was immediately shifted to Saptagiri Hospital near Nelamangala, where he succumbed to his injuries.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಸುಮಾರಿಗೆ ಬಾಗಲಗುಂಟೆ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ವಾಹನ ಝೆನ್ನು ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಗ್ರೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ್ನ ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರಘಟ್ಟದ ಹತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲ್ ನಗರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕಿದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ಗಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಇಳಿದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 ರೌಂಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಗುಂಡು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ದೇವರ ದಯದಿಂದ ಅವನು ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಜುರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಕೈಗೆ ತಗಲಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಜರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ರೌಂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಂಥ ನಂದಿನಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲೋಹಿತ್ ಅವರು ಸಮಯ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಏರ್ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಂತರ ಆರೋಪಿ ಭರತ್ ಅಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಲಮ್ ಭರತ್ ಏನಿದ್ದು ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ರೌಂಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಕೊಲೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆದ ಅಂತಂದು ಸಪ್ತಗಿರಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅವನು ಮೃತ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದು.
Around 10 of Slum Bharat's associates were detained by Bengaluru police from the hospital where his mortal remains are being kept. Bengaluru North police are now looking at the other dealings that Slum Bharat was involved in to put an end to his racket. Jagdish for News 9, Bengaluru.